The Bharatiya Janata Party continues to target the Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament Nusrat Jahan. This is after a complaint was sent to the Lok Sabha Speaker to scrap her membership. Now, Bengal Bharatiya Janata Party Chief Dilip Ghosh has said, and I quote here, she has cheated the country by wearing sindoor. She should resign, unquote.
বাংলার প্রায় ৬-৭ লক্ষ ভোট পেয়েছেন যারা মানুষ ভোট দিয়ে তাকে বিশ্বাস করে তারা বিশ্বাস ভঙ্গ করেছেন একজন মহিলা সিঁদুর নিয়ে তার স্বামীকে নিয়ে এই ধরনের নক্কারি করতে পারে না পশ্চিমবাংলায় ভারতবর্ষের কোনো জায়গা নেই তার জন্য হয় তাকে পার্টি থেকে বহিষ্কার করা উচিত নাহলে তার পদত্যাগ করা উচিত
So this is clearly a personal attack on Nusrat Jahan, and what the Bharatiya Janata Party has to say is that she was wearing symbols like sindoor, which symbolizes that she's a married woman, and then went on to say that her marriage in India is invalid because she was married as per Turkish laws and in Turkey. So that is now becoming a huge controversy. Remember, a personal situation now clearly out in the public, and Prema Rajaram, my colleague, is joining me live from Kolkata. Prema, this is definitely disconcerting as well because this is a very personal situation being blown out in the public. But with her statement, it's bound by the opposition to really raise this because she did accept it openly in the House that she was married and then this happened.
Well, even though this is a personal issue, the BJP did leave no stone unturned to hit out at Nusrat Jahan and said that she should resign and that the party should take action against her because she's one of the 542 MPs, and she had presented herself in Parliament where she was wearing the sindoor, and she had introduced her husband as well. And he also went a step further to say that the Chief Minister was also present at the reception, and after that it is insulting that she's insulted the tradition of India, the Indian culture, and it's of course insulting to the people as well who have elected the representatives in the Lok Sabha. So clearly here BJP, even though this is a personal issue, hits out at Nusrat Jahan and says that the party should take action against her and she should step down and not be part of the party after this. Back to you, Pooja.
All right, so the fact that she did appear in the House as a married woman is what has irked the BJP, stating that she has lied to her people there in Bengal. Thank you so much, Prema, for all the latest. So the controversy precisely over the Trinamool Congress Lok Sabha Member of Parliament Nusrat Jahan's marital status is a controversy refusing to die down. First, Bharatiya Janata Party Member of Parliament Sanghamitra Maurya has now written to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. He's seeking action against her for allegedly lying in the House and before the Parliament. Take a look at this report.
A short-lived marriage mired in controversy. The public glare on her private life. For TMC MP and celebrity politician Nusrat Jahan, life has taken an uneasy turn. The feisty actor turned politician has been in the line of fire ever since she declared her marriage to businessman Nikhil Jain illegal as per the Indian law. She claimed that the marriage has taken place in Turkey under Turkish laws, so it did not hold good in India. The BJP has been on her case ever since. It has accused her of lying about her marital status in Parliament. Bengal BJP MP Sanghamitra Maurya has now written to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, seeking action or a detailed investigation by the Ethics Committee of the House against Nusrat.
जो उन्होंने सार्वजनिक रूप से एक झूठ बोला या संसद में जो फीड किया, उसको देखते हुए मैंने अध्यक्ष महोदय से अपील किया है कि ऐसे अनैतिक उन पर जो उन्होंने कार्यवाही की है, बयान दिया है, उस पर कार्यवाही होनी चाहिए.
When Nusrat took oath in 2019 after her election to the Lok Sabha, she had introduced herself as Nusrat Jahan Ruhi Jain, implying her marital status.
Assalamu alaikum, namaskar. Ami Nusrat Jahan Ruhi Jain, Lok Sabhar সদস্য নির্বাচিত হইয়া.
There appears to be no precedent of Parliament taking action on a member on a marital status issue. So it will be interesting to see what Speaker Om Birla decides. The BJP, of course, wants to keep the issue burning after the bitter defeat in the Bengal polls. Bureau Report, India Today.